The next wave of leaders， 我们来看一下这一道题。首先呢，大家把视频暂停一下，用大概30秒到40秒的时间，把整段话呢先通读一遍。OK， 我们来看一下第一部分。The next wave of leaders， 这个 T 一定要弱化 ，of 在这里前后连在一起。The next wave of leaders 注意复数 in industrial manufacturing will build an ecosystem. Will build 这个单词本身念 build， 但在这里呢，我们不能成 build an 是错的，这个 D 要弱化 build an。OK，will build an ecosystem that 这个 T 弱化，不要读成 that 是错的。That capitalizes on the promise of 看到了吗？前后连在一起。On the promise of analytics 这个单词注意了，重音在后面。Analytics and connectivity 这里是 promise of analytics and connectivity。OK， 这个 and 呢，它不是我们说的两句话，它这里是 A and B 的关系，所以我们在这里呢是不能停的。Connectivity to maximize efficiency for themselves and their customers. Themselves，OK， 不要读成了 themselves， 广东人喜欢读成 themselves 是不对的 ，themselves。好，这句话很长，在哪里停顿我们要看一看。首先，我刚刚说了，这里 and 是不可以的，所以呢，我们再先看看前面。前面这一块呢有个 that， 对不对？从句我之前讲过，我们来回忆一下5处，一个是从句，像 that 呀 which。第2处呢是 and， 对不对？但不能是 A and B 的关系。第3处呢主要动词前面。第4处呢 to。第5处呢 be 动词。好，这个 to， 因为这个 and 不能停，我们往后找，所以 to 前面可以停顿。我们来读一下。The next wave of leaders in industrial manufacturing will build an ecosystem that capitalizes on the promise of analytics and connectivity to maximize efficiency for themselves and their customers. OK？ 好，第2部分 They will map out 不要读成了 map out 两个单词，一定要连起来，这是一个词组，对不对？ Map out，OK， map out They will map out their strategies 注意复数 and prioritize measures 注意复数 that 注意这个 T 不要读成 that，OK， 做出口型 that 这个音说的是很快的 That will bring the most 注意 T most value to their business。Starting now with pilot project， 这个单词本身念 pilot，OK， 飞行员对不对 ？pilot， 但是连在后面呢 ，pilot projects， 这个 T 呢就弱化了 ，pilot projects and building greater strengths in data analytics with cross-functional teams of 这个 of 对不对 ？teams of experts。好，这里有个 that 对不对？前面可以停，那我们就这一处停顿，这里有逗号。这里有逗号，这里呢不是很长，所以呢我们只要在这找一处停顿，这段话呢应该就没有问题了。我们连起来读一下 ：They will map out their strategies and prioritize measures that will bring the most value to their business, starting now with pilot projects and building greater strengths in data analytics with cross-functional teams of experts. 好，现在呢我们把这2部分合在一起，我们来读一下，大家跟着我一起。The next wave of leaders in industrial manufacturing will build an ecosystem that capitalizes on the promise of analytics and connectivity to maximize efficiency for themselves and their customers. They will map out their strategies and prioritize measures that will bring the most value to their business, starting now with pilot projects and building greater strength in data analytics with cross-functional teams of experts. All right. Thank you, guys.